You ever just sit in your car for a little too long before going inside? Just scrolling, thinking, or staring at the steering wheel like, yep, that's enough for today. Yeah, I've been there. Sometimes life just feels like it's too much, like you're running on empty. You wake up tired, you get through your day, but it feels like survival mode. You're constantly there for everyone else. When it comes time for you, you got nothing left. I get it. And if you're feeling like this, there's a reason. There's a few things that could be stealing your energy right now. You're not setting boundaries. Saying yes when you want to say no, that's a fast track to burnout. You're running on autopilot. Wake up, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. When is the last time you did something just for you? You're ignoring your own needs. Self-care isn't selfish. And no, it doesn't have to be fancy spa day. It can be as simple as sitting in your car for 5 minutes without guilt. Just breathing and being. So here's what I need you to do today. Pick one thing that makes you feel good. A song that lifts your mood. A walk outside. A small win, like drinking enough water. Or finally putting your phone on Do Not Disturb. And if you do it, come back and tell me in the comments. I want to know what little moment of peace you gave yourself today. And if this hit home for you, make sure you're subscribed because we're choosing ourselves more this year. I'll be here to remind you when you forget.